Hello my dear friends. My one subscriber request me to make Bluetooth controlled home appliances by use of ATmega IC instead of Arduino. Let's start. This is pin diagram of ATmega IC. You can see pin number 7 and pin number 8 for a VCC and ground, and pin number 9 and pin number 10 for a crystal clock pulse which is 16 MHz, and pin number 1 is for a reset, and pin number 19 for a onboard LED which is pin number 13 for a digital use. For more detail you can refer pin diagram. This is circuit diagram for 4-channel relay module operated by a Bluetooth. You can make 8-channel or 6-channel relay module operated by a Bluetooth. This is our circuit. You can see this is our reset button. This is our ATmega IC. This is our 16 MHz crystal. And you can see this LED is an onboard LED which is connect with digital pin 13. This is our 4-channel relay module, and this one is connect from use of these wires to ATmega IC. This is for a 5-volt power supply. If you want to make any kind of other electric and electronics project, then you can comment below. I will make it. If you want to learn how to program ATmega 8A by use of Arduino, then comment below. I will make video for it. Let's check output of this circuit. Is it work or not? Let's check it. In my future videos, I will show you how to make a fogging or cooling machine control by use of ATmega. You can see this is a circuit diagram for that. And also, I will upload 4 to 5 science fair project for standard 4 to 8 in my future videos. Thank you.